Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy minestrone soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and zucchini, along with canned diced tomatoes and 2 types of beans. Don't forget 6 cups of vegetable broth, a key component for a flavorful base. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, toss in the diced carrots and celery, cooking them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Finally, stir in the zucchini and green beans. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 28 ounces of canned diced tomatoes and the 6 cups of vegetable broth. Next, add the 15 ounces of cannellini beans and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Almost ready to enjoy. Stir in 1 cup of small pasta, like ditalini or elbow macaroni, and cook until it's al dente. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Ladle your delicious minestrone into bowls, then garnish with fresh basil and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.